UCD is one of the largest, most established centres of learning in Ireland. UCD Professional Academy combines academic heritage with modern ambition to provide industry-leading professional courses. Our Professional Academy diplomas are designed to help you build career momentum. Our short courses teach practical, applied skills to support you to achieve your career and business goals. Unlock the power of machine learning to gain faster, deeper insights from your data. In this course, you learn to build your own algorithms and models to make predictions, spot patterns, and forecast future trends, all using the versatile language of Python. You'll learn how to manipulate and clean complex datasets, join and transform them for use in machine learning models, all while ensuring they're ready for analysis. The course focuses on building and training machine learning models using powerful Python libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow, enabling you to make accurate predictions or evaluations from your core data. You'll also dive into evaluating model performance, learning how to assess key metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score to ensure your models are performing at their best. The course teaches you how to select the most suitable model for any given task, ensuring that your machine learning solutions are effective and also reliable. These skills are highly valuable across a wide range of industries, including e-commerce, healthcare, finance, and entertainment, helping you work with increasingly complex and diverse datasets that organizations rely on today. Whether you're aiming to enhance your career in data science or analytics, this course provides the foundational knowledge to succeed in these ever-growing fields. The course is perfect for professionals who already have experience with data import, cleaning, and manipulation, such as those who have completed our Professional Academy certificate in data analytics visualization. A solid understanding of Python and the associated analytics libraries are required for this course. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey today.